guys, welcome back to my channel. Carolyn here for another cash stuffing. Quick disclaimer, one of my neighbors is blasting music really loudly, so if the music comes through on the video, this is going to end up being a voiceover. This is the only time that I have to film the video, so prayerfully it works out. Jumping right in, we're gonna just set this money up. Get this out the way. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 3, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $320 in total for our cash stuffing today. How's everyone doing? Hopefully everyone is great and having an amazing week. I am currently getting over yet another upper respiratory cold infection, whatever you want to call it. It was a rough week, but I'm feeling a lot better. I believe someone at my job was sick, and unfortunately it got to me as well. So I have some change to put into my change jar. Let me just go ahead and do that. And I also have some 1s and 5s to put away, and I'm just gonna set them to the side for now, and we'll just jump right in. So, of course, I didn't have anything left over in my envelope from groceries or household. I did have $30 from my personal money. I'm going to put that here because that'll go in my envelope. And I have $160 left from Mother's Day gift from my family. So, I'm just going to leave that here. I'm going to probably go buy myself like some clothes, maybe some jeans or something. I'm not sure just yet what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to leave that right there. And today food is going to get its usual 50 bucks. 20, 40, 50. Pull my sleeves down, my jacket. Look at these bills. Horrible. Every single week it seems like the bills are getting worse and worse, so it's pretty annoying. 50 bucks for food. Household gets 25. All right, and personal is going to get 75 as well, just like it always does, and we'll just add it to what we have here already. I don't plan on combining it necessarily, but for now it's fine. 20, 40, 60, 75. So in total, my personal envelope has 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 35, 235 in my personal envelope. And that is it for my cash envelope. I don't have any receipts for Fetch. I already scanned everything. And I'll leave my code somewhere on the screen. Fetch is just a reward app. You get points for basically going shopping, and you can use those points to exchange for gift cards and things like that. So I'll leave my code somewhere on the screen. Sorry for bumping the camera. But again, as I always state, you don't have to use my code. You can just go on and sign up on your own. All right, cash envelope. Marcus will be getting $10. And he now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 20, 35, 40, 240 bucks. So this is a great amount for a really nice Father's Day gift. Not sure what we're gonna get just yet, but I think we have a nice amount. $240. I will be getting nothing out of the budget, but I do have my $60. Is it supposed to be $60? I thought it was $40. I'm at $30. It's $30. Like, what am I? I'm like, what am I doing? $30 from my personal envelope will be going back to my main envelope. And again, this money is gonna go towards me getting my hair done. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77. 177. Which is a great start. Braids are very expensive if you want them done correctly, so I'll have the money really shortly. Marcus Jr. is gonna get 5, and he has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 138. Makai will be getting a 5. One, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. 185. All right. Mikhail, 5 as well. I had been sitting here for so long trying to wait to see if my neighbors were gonna like cut their music down. I mean, it's so freaking loud. Like, I can hear it clearly in my house, and it doesn't bother me because I love music, but it's kind of annoying that I'm trying to film and it seems like as soon as you start filming, as soon as I turn my camera on, here comes all of the noises imaginable. Does anybody else experience that? Like, what is that? It's just so weird to me. Mikhail has 1, 2, 50, 70, 90, 3, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 345 for Mikhail and his envelope. You see what I mean? Like a random motorcycle. That is hilarious. 345. So odd. I guess that's the cost of living like in the city, especially like in a busy metropolitan city. It's just like, oh my gosh, send me to the country. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 35, 10. 310. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera. I'm all over the place, I guess. 310. Clothes will be getting $7. 5, 6, and 7. Which clothes now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. I think I said 88. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and 87. 487. We did take a few bucks from here to purchase some underclothes for my children, so that went down just a little bit. Emergency fund is gonna be getting a 20, I believe. 1,000, 20, 40. $1,040. Christmas is going to be getting 15 bucks. 10 and a 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 55, 50, 550, 570, 590, 10, 30, 50, 70, 97, 10, 30, 50, 70, 98, 10, 8, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 869 for Christmas. Gifts will be getting $3. 1, 2, and 3. And gifts has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84, 184. I'll have to pay myself back for my mom's Mother's Day gift. I'll wait until the end of the month once I get my credit card bill, because I did put it on a credit card. Senior year is going to be getting a 10. Senior year now has 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, $600 for senior year. Snowball will be getting 70 bucks. Might be, hold on. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. For my Snowball. Snowball has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oops, I lost count. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 20, 30. 230. $230 for my Snowball. Family Fun will be getting $5. And it now has 1, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 150. What else? Oh, okay, close that out. Move this out the way. I'll do my ones and fives. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, $25 and fives. Let me move those out the way. And I'll put my ones in. And see where I can put these at in my 100 envelope box. I'm sure I can make it work this time. I couldn't really make it work the last time. So this goes to my next envelope. Let me do that first. I believe it's 9, and I'm just going to round it all to a 10. Alrighty, it's a 9, so that's going to go in. Alrighty, let's see. Let me put it back where it belongs. There we go. And we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Let's see if I have 35. I don't think I have a 35, so I have 34, so I'll put it in a 34. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Perfect. Alright, so that's perfect. And if you have made it this far into this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you along for my journey. I finally reached 300 subscribers, so there are actually 300 people who hopefully enjoy watching my videos. So I thank each and every last one of you guys for taking even 5 minutes out of your day to watch my videos every week. It means the world to me. If you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please do so. I'm trying to get to the ultimate goal of 1,000 subscribers, and I have a long way to go. So if you even enjoy just a little bit of my channel, subscribe, please. I would appreciate it. And until next time, guys, I hope you all stay safe, and bye.